How do I get the current time in Python? Introduction. Working with time is a very common requirement in Python applications. You often need current time for logging events, timestamps in databases, scheduling tasks, API responses, monitoring systems, file naming. A very common beginner question is, how do I get the current time in Python? Python provides multiple ways depending on your needs. And datetime module, most common, and time module, low level, and formatted time strings. This topic explains current time retrieval, datetime usage, time module usage, formatting time, timestamps best practices, common mistakes. Method 1. Using datetime. Recommended. Python's most commonly used approach is from datetime import datetime, get current date and time. From datetime import datetime. Now equals datetime.now. Print now. Output. Example. 2026 0516 1432 10.123456. What datetime.now returns? It returns current local date and time, including year, month, day, hour, minute, second, microseconds. Formatting current time. You can format output using strftime. Example from datetime, import datetime. Now equals datetime.now. Formatted equals now.strftime. %h, %s. Print formatted. Output 143210. Common format codes. Format meaning %y year, %m month, %d day, %h hour, 24h hour, %m minute, %s second. Example, full date plus time, now equals datetime.now. Print, now, strtm, period, m and d, %h, %s. Output, 2026 05 16 14 32 10. Method 2, using time module. Another approach. Import time, get current timestamp, print time.time. Output 1715869930.123. What is a timestamp? A timestamp is seconds since January 1st, 1970, Unix epoch. Convert timestamp to readable time. Import time. Print time.ctime, time.time. Output. Sat. May 16th, 1432 2026. Method 3. Current UTC time. Use UTC for global systems. From datetime import datetime, time zone. UTC now equals datetime.now, timezone.utc. Print UTC now. Why UTC matters. Avoids time zone issues. Used in distributed systems. Standard for APIs and databases. Internal concept system clock. Python time module. Datetime conversion. Formatted output. Local time versus UTC. Type meaning. Local time system time zone. UTC time, universal standard. Example comparison from datetime import datetime, time zone. Print datetime.now. Print datetime.now, timezone.utc. Real-world use cases. Logging print. Log time, datetime.now. File naming. File name is datetime.now.strime. Backup %uimd_h%ms. API response timestamp. Timestamp. datetime.now.iso format. Common beginner mistakes 1. Using time when formatting needed time.time. Hard to read directly. 2. Forgetting time zones, datetime now, may cause inconsistencies in distributed systems. 3. Confusing ctime output. Not suitable for machine processing. 4. Assuming timestamp is readable time. Timestamp is numeric, not human-friendly. Best practices. Use datetime for most cases. Use strftime for formatting. Use UTC for backend systems. Avoid mixing time and datetime unnecessarily. Store timestamps in UTC. Performance considerations. All methods are Lightweight, fast, system dependent on OS clock. Simple definition. Current time, the exact time at the moment a program executes. Simple definition timestamp, a numeric representation of time since Unix epoch. Final summary. To get current time in Python. Recommended approach from datetime import datetime. Now equals datetime.now. Formatted time now dot strftime %h%m%s. UTC time datetime.now .timezone.utc. Key idea. Use datetime.now for current local time and datetime.now timezone.utc for consistent global time handling.